Hey guys, General Mechanic right here, another video. 2007 Dodge Nitro. As you know, I had some other videos uploaded about this thing, timing belt and all the little things over there. But this one right here, guys, this one got me. This one right here, this problem I'm about to share with you guys, it gave me headache enough for me almost say, you know what, let's take it to the dealer and let them figure it out. I was that close actually today. It was the last day I worked on it, and I was telling my guys, you know what, I just gonna tell these people to come get it and take it to the dealer and see if they can figure it out. I was about to give up on it. So I had the AC clutch not coming on the AC compressor. As you can see, I've been trying to do some wiring. The AC compressor was good. I replaced it, the pressure sensor right there. No help. Discharge it, charge the system not one time but a bunch of times, vacuum the system and stuff like that. Went through here to the process of checking every single wire for the diagram, and and I was just giving up on it. I will tell you that after running all my testing, everything I knew to do with it, I had to replace the switch, the control thing right here, and still didn't help me at all. I got me a used one, of course, and put it on there. It didn't help. So what I want to share with you guys is what I found. Let's go to the other side actually, and side over here. So what I found is everything was good. Everything, all the signals was coming out. If I hook my scanner to the computer and get in there and activate the compressor by commanding it from the scanner, it was working. Everything was working. So it was like what should I do? And this right here, guys, was my problem. This right here was my problem. This is the evaporator temperature sensor. What it was is, this sensor right here operates under 5 volts. If you ever get a higher voltage from this little sensor, if you get to 5 volts on this little sensor right here of signal, it will shut the whole system down. It's some type of a safety feature, whatever it is. This thing right here was killing me. So what is found on a 2007 Nitro, it's let's see if I can get some light going on right there. 1 second. Alright, so if we look right there, right behind the glove compartment, come from there, from the bottom, you can see it really good right there. There's a little hole where this little sensor slides into. That little sensor slide into. So it's a little crazy one, but it was shutting the whole system down. So guys, if you have this problem, go check and see if that sensor is plugged. Check and see how much voltage you're getting with a voltmeter, if you want that, or if you have access to a better scanner, not just regular scanner. Go into the air system over there and scan it, and go to the live data and see how many volts you got coming out from that little sensor. If you got more than 4 volts, or if it has got to 5 volts one time, that thing will kill your whole system. So that was my problem, guys, and this is what I thought about sharing today. Gave me headache, not one day but a couple days of work. Well, actually not days of work. I would say that the car has been sitting over here for a couple days, but I've been putting like 30 minutes here, 30 minutes there, dealing with everything else we got going on right now. We got 2 transmissions, 1 engine going on. One time 2007 Duramax cylinder head gasket. So a bunch of stuff going on right now, and my head being flying up and down. But this thing right here was really trying to get me worried about thinking, I'm just gonna give up on this thing. But you know what, I was able to find it. So that's what it takes, guy. Never give up. Never give up. There's a song out there, it says never give up, and that's something you gotta have in this job. You cannot give up in something that is giving you headache, because there's not better satisfaction than finding the answer of your problem at the end of your whole trial. So, hey guys, thank you for watching. And if you got any comments, leave it in the comments below. And any questions that I may be able to answer, please leave them down there. And like it if this video was helpful. But the main thing, guys, is subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. As I will keep on doing this, trying to share something useful that will help you fix your car. And sometimes it's like a handy thing you can do, handyman things that you can do with a couple tools. And that's my main reason of my channel, sharing a little bit of information that can help you save tons of money instead of taking it to the shop. So please, guys, subscribe to my channel, and this is gonna help me keep on going so I can make better videos down in the future. But guys, 2007 Dodge Nitro, AC compressor clutch not engaging because the evaporator temperature sensor bad signal. Alright, so thank you for watching us. Always have a blessed day.